So you guys know how to multiply a two-digit number? Is it being taught in your school? Yes, great. So who all know the two-digit multiplication? You can put in the comment. Great. So you all know multiplication of two-digit numbers. Okay, great. So now what shall we do is I'm putting up some questions for you. Okay, I'm putting up some questions for you. Okay. So what you guys need to do is you need to solve these questions. Okay. I will give you around 10 minutes. Great. I'll give you around 10 minutes. I want you all guys to solve these questions. Yeah. So you all guys can take a pen and a paper and start solving. Okay. And you can put the answers. What you do is after solving all of these questions, what you can do is you can type the answer in a single line, all the answers in a single line, and you can put it in the comment. Okay. Yeah, but type all the answers in a single. Okay, don't type answers individually. It will be very difficult to understand. Okay, type the answers in a single line and send it to me. So let's see who solves it first. Okay, maybe we can award them something. Okay.
So guys, don't answer one question at a time. Just solve all the questions and then give the answers in one go.
So guys, don't hurry. Solve it aram se. The ultimate goal is getting a right answer. Okay. So Agreem, today we are learning about Vedic maths. Okay, we are learning how we can multiply numbers very fastly, very quickly, without any errors. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think some students are asking what is square of 25.
Yeah.
So basically, square of 25 is 25 multiplied by 25.
Yeah, so 25 square is nothing but 25 multiplied by 25, and 95 square is nothing but 95 multiplied by 95. Okay, so what you can guys do is you can do it in this way. Nothing but 25 multiplied by 25 and 95 multiplied by 95.
So Agrim, you need to get the answers.
You need to solve all these questions, Agreem, and put the answers in the comment.
Nikhil, just can you put
Yes, sir.
disable the annotation?
Yes.
So Priyanshi has actually sent the answers.
Yeah, good, Priyansh.
Priyanshi, and then Mandala has also shared.
So what about others? I'm waiting for others' answers.
Kima has also sent.
So are you guys copy pasting the answers of each other?
Yeah, the format is exactly the same.
Yeah, sir. Okay, so till now, I think out of 52 people, we have received answers of around 6, 7 people. So what about rest of the others? I know that you guys are solving. Okay, Pulkit, I got your answer. Okay, Prat. Um, We'll study all this, okay? Now we'll study rest of the others, how we can do it. Okay. Great. So, guys, I think now most of them have solved the answers. Okay. So most of them have solved the answers, and most of them are already solving it. So what shall we do now is let's now move on to understand how we can do it. Okay. How we can do it much simply. Okay, Himash, you want to solve the answer? Okay. Let's wait for another 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, great. So I think now we are getting the answers from everyone. Okay. So guys, what shall we do is now let's start solving and let's understand how we can do it in a Vedic mathematics way and how it is much better than a normal way. So guys, now what you can do is everyone can stop solving. Yeah. So I'm just stopping the screen sharing now. Okay. So everyone, please stop solving and listen carefully. Okay. I can see like some others are yet solving. So you all guys can stop solving. Okay. Time's up. Okay. Got it. Yes. So, what shall we do is now let's try to understand and let's study how do we do it in a Vedic way. And I believe that Vedic mathematics will blow your mind in the way we solve it. Okay. So now let's go for the first question. So what was the first question? The first question was like multiplication of 32 times 11, isn't it? 32 times 11 was the first question, isn't it? So how many of you guys got the answer has 352? Okay. So I can't see all of you because my screen is minimized. Maybe you can put it in the chat. Okay. I am seeing that. Oh, that's great. Everyone has got it. Okay. So now what we do it in a normal way. Okay. How we do it in a normal way? What we do is we take 32 times 11. Okay. 32 times 11. How we do it? We take 1, multiply it with 32. That is nothing but 32. Again add. Again take this one, multiply it. That is nothing but 32. And add entire thing. That is 352. Right? It takes a lot of time, right? Isn't it? Yeah, it takes a lot of time. So how do we do it in a Vedic way? How we do it in a Vedic way is 32. 32 times 11. So what do we do in a Vedic way is Vedic way will get you a one line answer. Okay. Okay. So everyone listen carefully here. So stop your work for just maybe 1 minute. Let's understand this. So 32 times 11. What do we do is we write 3, we put a dash, okay, and we write 2. Getting it? 32 times 11. So this method is called as multiplication of numbers with series of 1. Whenever you're multiplying a number with series of 1, you will use this method in Vedic maths. Okay. Yeah. So Vedic maths has various methods. So one of the method in Vedic maths is nothing but multiplication of numbers with series of 1. So what do you do when you're multiplying any number with series of 1? Series of 1 as in 11, 111, double one, double one. Okay. So that's nothing but series of ones. Okay. So how do we do it? We write 3, we put a dash and we write 2. Then later what we do is we will add 3 plus 2. How much is 3 plus 2? Yeah. I can't see you all, so please put it in the comment chat box. Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5, right? 5, right? Yeah. So what way will we write this 5 now? So there's a gap in between, right? So we'll write the 5 here. Oh, isn't it surprising? The answer is 352, isn't it? So you got the answer in a simple way. Okay. Now let's take another example. Let's take 18. Let's take 18 times 11. How do we do now? When you are multiplying a number with series of ones, we will write 1, we will put a dash, we will write 8. This is nothing but 18. In between 1 and 8, what we will do is we will write a dash and we will add 1. Oh, that's great. You already got answers much faster than me. Yeah? That's great. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So you're going to put 9 in between 1 and 8. So 18 times 11 is nothing but 198. So did everyone understand this? Yeah. So put the answer. If you guys have understood it, put it. Okay. Put the answer. You guys have understood it. Yeah, that's a fast way. Okay, that's really a fast way. So now, guys, what shall we do is I got a small challenge for you. Okay, I got a small challenge for you. See in what method, like the way you would do it in normal way, right? It is very lengthy. So now here I put up small examples for you, just 2 examples. I want you guys to solve this not by using the normal mathematics, but indeed by using the Vedic way. Okay. Yeah, Path. What we'll do is I'll explain you once again. Okay, don't worry. So put the answers at once. Put the answers at once in one go. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, so I think everyone has yeah. So Rudra, that's possible with I mean a 3-digit numbers, 4 digits number and all. But just for the reason of demo class, we have taken a 2-digit number. But what happens is multiplication of series of ones. We can multiply a number with say like four ones, 5 ones, 6 ones. Okay, so you can multiply. Vedic mathematics is not meant for multiplication of small digits. You can do it with small digits, but the real fun of Vedic maths is multiplying huge numbers. Okay, because that's what you can do easily. Okay, so now for those people who didn't understand, I'm taking an example once again. Now I'm taking 23. I'm taking 23 times 11. Okay, so what will I do now? What will I do now? 23 times 11. I will write. So this method, you need to understand which method you have to use here. Here we're multiplying a number with series of ones. So what we're doing is we're multiplying 23 with 11. So what we'll do is we'll write 2. We'll write 23. We'll write 23, but we'll put a gap in between that. That is 23. Put a gap in between that. That is we write 2. Draw a line and write 3. And what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and you write this 5 in between this. So the answer of 23 times 11 is 253. Okay. So did everyone understand this? Shall we go to the next method now? Yeah. So I want you guys to say yes or no in the comment section so that I will understand and we can go it. Okay. Great. Okay. So now let's move to the next method. Okay. So the next method is squaring. Okay, what is squaring? Yeah. Himaksh, I'll give you more problems for each things. I'm putting up more problems. Okay, don't worry. So see, guys, what is squaring? Squaring of a number is nothing but multiplying a number. Okay, twice. So if I say you the 25 square is nothing but 25 times 25 is nothing but 25 square. Okay, that's nothing but 25. So now if you're multiplying. No. See, if multiplication, every method has a different method. Okay, Rudraksh. So in this for squaring, of numbers, there's a different method. So what we do is 25 square. So 25 square. Okay. So what do we do? How do we solve it? Is like we take the tens place first. So 2. Okay. So in the number line, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the next number to 2. Yeah. You can put it in the chat box there. Which is the next number to 2? Yes. In the number line, the next number to 2 is nothing but 3. Okay. So what we'll do is we will take these 2, we'll multiply those 2 with the next number. How much is 2 times 3 now? Great. So what about others? How much is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. So what we're doing is we are writing this 6 in the first. Okay. We are writing this 6 here. Okay. Okay. We are writing this 6 here. So what we are doing after that is 5. Okay. We are finding the square of 5. Square of 5 is nothing but 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. So 5 multiplied by 5. So what is 5 multiplied by 5? How much is 5 times 5 in the 5 table? Great. So 5 times 5 is nothing but 25. So we write 25 here. So the answer of 25 square is 625. Okay. Getting it? Let's take another number now. Okay. Let's take another number. Let's take 95 square. Okay. So what do we do now? What is the first step? The first step is we will take 9 and multiply 9 with the next digit. Okay. What is the next digit of 9? 10. Great, Sajid. So the next digit is 9. So how much is 9 times 10? Yes. 9 times 10 is 90. Okay. So 9 times 10 is 90. So you multiply 9 and 10. So 9 times 10 is nothing but 90. You write 90 here. Then you take this 5. What is the 5 square? How much is the 5 square? 25. So write 25 here. So the answer of 95 square is 9025. Okay. Getting it? So now, similarly, can you guys solve this 35 square? Take this example, 35 square. Yes, Arav, you got it right. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry, Himansh. We'll do it once again. We'll do this 35 square once again, okay? Yeah. Great. So what about others? Let's try solving it once again now. Okay. 35 square. So what do we do in the first step? I want your help, so you must say me. What do we do in the first step? We take this 3. Which is the next digit to 3? In the number line, which is the next digit to 3? Yes, that's 4. So how much is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. Yes. So how much is 5 square? 5 square is 25. Great. So the answer of 35 square is 1225. Okay. Getting it? The answer is 1225. Okay. So how many guys, how many of you understood this? Shall we move to the next one now? Okay, great. Now let's try to understand the next one. Okay. The next one was something a bit complicated, isn't it? So everyone hates multiplying numbers with 9 because that's very difficult. Okay. So now the answer of 45 times 99 is 4455. So how many of you got this? It has a right answer 4455. 45 times 99. How many of you got it the right answer? Okay. Great. Okay. So now let's study how do we do it in a normal way. Okay. So what you will do first is you whenever see this method is called as multiplication of numbers with series of nines. Okay. So what do we do in the first step? The first step what we do is we take 45, okay? We take 45 multiplied by 99, okay? What do we do in the first step? Is like this the question. The step 1, okay, the step 1 is like we take this 45 and we subtract 1 from this 45. How much is 45 minus 1? Yes, 44, isn't it? 45 minus 1 is 44. So write 44 here. Okay. So next what you guys are doing is you are writing 44 here. So now in the second step, write the 44 once again. That is indeed you are writing the answer of the first step again. Okay. Then how much is this 44? A 44, is it a 2-digit number or is it a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number? Yes. Yes, Amanks, that's right. It's a 2-digit number, right? So 44 is a 2-digit number. So when 44 is a 2-digit number, so what we do is we will put 2 number of dash in front of this number. Getting it? Yeah, we'll put 2 dash in front of this number. Okay. So till here, did everyone understand things till here? Yeah. Great. So you guys understood the things till here. Okay. Now what we'll do is from each digit we will subtract 9 from each digit. Okay. How much is 9 minus 4? 5. Yes, Himanshu, right. How much is 9 minus 4? 5. So the 5, we are writing this 5 in the first gap. Okay. Getting it? Yeah. We are writing this 5 in the first dash. Okay. We are writing this 5 in the first dash. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Write it in the first dash. Now go to the second digit. The second digit is again 4 here. So what we do? We subtract 9 again from this 4. That is 9 minus 4. How much is 9 minus 4? It's again 5. So write the 5 here. So isn't it surprising? The answer is 4455. Okay. Isn't it cool? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now you guys understood this? Yeah, that's very cool. Okay. So you guys understood this now? Great. Okay. So now let's take a 3-digit number once again. Okay. Let's take a 3-digit number once again. So let me take 156 times 999. Okay. This is the second problem. So now guys, what's the first step? What's the first step? So what's the first step in this? You guys need to explain me. Great, that's nothing but subtracting 1 from the given number. Yes, 156 minus 1. Yeah, so 156 minus 1. Now you guys need to guide me. How do I need to solve this? I don't know. Okay, so what do I do after writing 156 minus 1? Great, I will write it as 155. Okay, so after writing 155, what will I do next? Yes, I'll put 3 hyphens. So now, why do I need to put a 3 dash or 3 hyphens? Why do I need to put that? Yeah, great. Because that's a 3-digit number, isn't it? That's a 3-digit number. So I will write it as 2. I will write it as 155. And what I will do is I will put 3 dash in front of it. Okay. Then next, what I will do? Next, what do I need to do after this? Yeah, please guide me. What do I need to do after this? Subtracting 9. Yes. So what will I do now? Subtract 9 from 155. Great. Yeah. Subtract 9 from each number. How much is 9 minus 1? 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. So I will be writing 8 here. Okay. So now, how much is 9 minus 5? That's 4. Okay. Again, how much is 9 minus 5? So write this 9 minus 5 4 here. Again, 9 minus 5 is 4 right here. Okay. So here's a surprise. The surprise, the answer is 155,844. So guys, isn't it very simple? So can you imagine, like while solving this 156 times 999 is in a normal way is so hectic. You take this 9, multiply it with all the numbers, then add it, again take 9, multiply it, add it. So it's a very big number. But here you guys can do this in a single line. Okay, you can do it in a single line. You don't need to waste a paper and a pen. Okay, that's as easy as it. So did everyone understand this? How to solve a number with series of nines? Yeah. So how many guys understood this? Please put that. Please put it in the chat that you guys understood this. Yeah, Mohammed. I'll explain another problem for you. Okay, don't worry. So what about others? How many understood this? Please put a chat there. Yes. Okay. Great. Okay. So most of you guys are already understanding it. Yeah. Um, that's great. Yeah. So now, can you guys solve a problem? Can you guys solve this 156 times 99 and 123 times 99? I want the right answer from everyone. Okay. Yes. So I can see your chats here. Yeah. So it's 54. Yeah. 1 2 1 2 2 8 7 7. Yeah. I will teach it again, Parth. Okay. Don't worry. No, no. See, Rudraksh, we can't use the same method for 8 8. For 8 8, the different methods. Okay. So this is only with series of nines. Okay. Yeah. Great. So now let's solve a problem once again. So let me solve. Let's take a very big number. Okay. Let's take a number as 7 6 4 times 999. So now you guys need to help me to solve this. What's the first step I do here? Okay, what is the first step that I need to do here? Subtracting 1. That's right. So what I will do is I will subtract 764 minus 1. So how much is 764 minus 1? Yeah, I want you all guys to help me. How much is 764 minus 1? 763. Great, it is 763. Now, what will I do after doing 763? Oh, Arav, you give me the answer. Yeah. So what do we do? Yes, that's right. So what I'll do is I will put 3 number of dash after 763 and I will subtract 9 from each digit. How much is 7 minus 9 or 9 minus 7? 2. Then how much is 6 minus 9 or 9 minus 6? 3. Great. How much is 9 minus 3? 6. So the answer is 7 6 3 2 3 6. Getting it? So how many of you gave the right answer? How many of you gave the right answer? Okay. Great. So everyone gave the right answer. So now, did everyone understand this? Yeah. Great. Okay. So this is what Vedic mathematics can do wonders. Okay. So this is the way how it can do wonders. Okay. So this is the way how we do it how we do it in a Vedic way. So this is all. This is about Vedic mathematics. Okay.